Chamisa has broke the silence on the continuous arrest of Blessed Mhlanga. So Nelson Chamisa has said that this illuminary and illustrious citizen Blessed Mhlanga is just a journalist, not a criminal. Professional journalism must not be victimized in a new Great Zimbabwe. None will be in jail on account of executing their professional duty and journalistic work. Much love to the citizen hero. This is what Nelson Chamisa has said. So he's basically saying that during his term, when he finally became the president of Zimbabwe, in 2028, which will be called a new Great Zimbabwe, no journalists will be jailed because of their professional duties and journalistic work. Yeah, let's get to hear what you think about all this.